In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask a question on Internet Pro Club and why is it we recommend people to ask questions on our forums. Hello and welcome. My name is Kuda from Internet Pro Club. So with that being said, let us head over and I'll show you how to ask questions on the forums. You may land on our website, which is called internetproclub.com. As you can see, this is a membership platform, and to ask questions you don't need to be a member or you don't need to be logged in to ask questions. So what you need to do is to locate the button that says, or the page that says forums, and then just click on it to ask a question. Once you click on it, you're going to see that there's a couple of forums that are there. The first one is ask general questions, service recommendations. If you're looking for a service or recommendations, you just ask there, and network marketing, cryptocurrency, and then we're going to be adding a lot of forums right there. And then if you scroll down, you're going to see that there's quite a lot of people that have left some messages as well when they were asking questions. And if you are actually wanting to search for a query or a question that has been discussed before, you can come on this page and then just enter some few keywords, and then it's gonna search within our forum to check if there is any messages that were posted. So you can actually do this without you signing in or signing up to this website. So what you have to do, if you're not really sure where to ask the question, just click on where it says here ask general questions. Once you click on ask general questions, you will be taken to a page like this one, and you need to locate this button that says new discussion. And then if it's not right there, if you're using a mobile, probably it's going to be somewhere right at the bottom, and all you have to do is to click on new discussion. Once you come to new discussion, if you are not logged into our website, it's going to ask for information. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say Kuda Online. I'm going to say Kuda Online. That's my brand name that I use. And then the email that is required, you just have to enter your email, because if someone responds to your query, you're going to get an email that someone responded to your query. And then here you can actually enter your email address, which I'm actually going to do. Okay, I'm going to enter my email address, and then here where it says website, if you don't have a website, just leave it blank. If you do have a website, just enter your website right there. Or if you wish, you can actually put hash key. Okay, you can just put a hash and then just leave it like that. But in my case, I'm going to enter my website. My website is called kudaonline.com. Online.com. I do own a website, and then it's going to ask you for a title discussion. Now the title discussion basically is the subject or the headline of your question, and then I'd gone ahead to create a title right there. Let me just copy it. So remember, your title has to be very short and precise, and then I'm going to show you where it shows. And then what you have to do is to now come here to type in the discussion in detail. So here, this is where you put all your details, all your questions in brief, so that you make sure that the person who is going to be answering or responding to your question can understand exactly what you are talking about. So let me just copy this that I already done, and let me just come here, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here. And if you need to add links, you can actually add there, and then if you need to format your text, you can actually do that by formatting here. So my question there is, I've been approached by someone who says they do Bitcoin trading on Facebook. The deal is that I start trading with them. I send them Bitcoin, and then they trade on my behalf for a return of 200% per week. How genuine is that? So that's someone who is actually asking a question. And then all you have to do, once you finish typing your question, you can actually put enter there, and you can text more stuff and things like that. And then once you are done, when you feel like you have actually added all the details, all you have to do is just to hit post. Okay, once you post, your question is gonna go on our forum, on our website, and some members are actually going to get a notification that someone has actually asked a question. And if someone wants to respond, they can actually come here and they can hit reply. They don't even need to log into to the website to give an answer. All they have to do is to put in their details right there. If they need to reply, you don't have to use the details for this person. You just have to put your details and give your answer. So that's basically how you ask questions. In another video, I'm going to do how to properly answer questions to drive traffic. So let me explain why we have this feature on this website. Why is it we have got the forum on our website? So the reason number one is that it has helpful public content. So in my case, I have a strong or a wide internet online presence. So a lot of people, some of you guys have got access to my WhatsApp number, and you come and ask me questions and things like that. So and I understand that I give you helpful information, but at the end of the day, the same information that you are getting from me is the same answers that someone else is looking for. So one of these days, someone came to me and said, hey, I was just on a forum, and reading the forum has been really helpful. So once we put our content on our forum, which is public, your question and my answers are also going to help you, are also going to help the next person, and are also going to help me to understand what people are actually looking for. And at the same time, our members as well can be educated on different topics. And then building credibility. So let's say you are asking a question. I promise you I don't have answers for everything, but our website Internet Pro Club has got a lot of amazing, knowledgeable members. So if you are going to ask a question there, and if you're an expert in that area, you give a helpful answer, you're going to build credibility, because some of the answers are going to help people, and then people are going to trust you, and they can actually connect with you for more business based on the answers that you're actually giving. And then you can drive traffic to your website. When I actually give answers, in my answers, in most cases, I'll be recommending something, so that can be a resource that is very helpful. That way I'm actually driving traffic to my website. So that's another benefit. And then it helps with time management. So some of you guys, I'm going to be honest with you, they abuse me in terms of getting in touch with me. Some people ask me questions at 1 a.m. Some people ask me when I'm actually with family, and you know, that kind of a thing. When people they send you a message on WhatsApp, and then the next thing they send you a question mark, like, hey, can you just give me an answer here? I'm really in need of this answer, but they really don't know what I'm doing and what I'm up to. So in terms of time management, I dedicate time in a day, in a week, to check out the forums on our website Internet Pro Club, and then I can answer them at once. So imagine if I have 10 questions on the website, I can just dedicate a few hours to make sure that I give people brief answers on that. So it helps us, myself and the other team and our members, with time management as well. And then the other thing is we create a sense of community. I mean, a lot of people out there are trying to make money online, but there is no honesty in terms of their reviews or feedback. So if you create a community where someone asks a question, and then someone gives a response, and then someone tries to have a conflict based on the answers, so we create a sense of community where everyone gives their opinion based on the question that is being discussed about. So there's quite a lot of benefits in terms of the forum. So if you are part of my circles, and if I ask you to ask a question on the forum, this is the reason why I do that, and I appreciate that you have taken time to ask questions on the website, so that we can actually move forward together. We can help other people out there that are really struggling in terms of getting on their feet. So with that being said, I've left a link in the comment section below where you can actually go and ask questions, and I'll be more than happy to hear from you. In another video, I'm actually going to do a video on how to answer questions on Internet Pro Club. With that being said, bye for now.